Hello, friends. I am Purvi Iyer. I am at this stage explaining NCERT English chapter Nelson Mandela, chapter 2. I have tried my best to give my 100%, and if you feel, I have already loaded 5 parts of Nelson Mandela in small segments so that you don't get bored by long sessions. So I have tried my best to give my 100%, and if you feel that I have come to the mark wherein I have satisfied your expectations of explanation, and if you feel satisfied by my explanation, kindly give me a like and keep suggesting so that I can keep myself updating. And I also take up IELTS speaking and writing classes, and I take up English and social. If you feel that you need any explanation in any of the topics related to any of the class till 10th class and 11th and 12th, keep on asking me. I will keep on uploading the videos according to your request. And here, if you feel that I have come to my point of satisfying you as for explaining the chapters, so if give me a like, and if you feel that I can do something better in future, kindly subscribe me and press the bell icon for notification. So as and when I upload my videos, you can get the notification as fast as possible. And let us continue with part 6 of Nelson Mandela. I have bifurcated the whole chapter because a little bit long chapter. I have bifurcated in some parts so that you don't feel bored for long sessions, and you don't have to sit for long hours, half an hour, 45 minutes together. You can understand small parts of the chapter, and you can enjoy at your own time and at your own pace. I have kept my videos of 15 minutes to 20 minutes. In between that, I have fluctuated. And still, if you feel that I can better up myself, I can make myself better, please comment me and help me to keep my videos uploading properly. And I, as and when, keep guiding me whenever you feel that I need some guidance from your side. Thank you very much. Let us continue. So this is part 6, Nelson Mandela. Till now we have done, I'll just go through one or two lines what we have completed. Till now we have done that Nelson Mandela says that it was only when I began to learn that my boyhood freedom was an illusion. I explained the meaning of illusion in my previous part. So when I discovered as a young man that my freedom has already been taken from me, whereas when he was born, right from the childhood, when he was born itself in the framework of the society, slavery wala society. So he was not born with the freedom. This freedom which he was enjoying, swimming in the river, eating the food under the skies, and whatever freedom he was enjoying, that freedom was of illusion. That was a fake freedom. Actual freedom was already taken by the whites. At first, as a student, I wanted freedom only for myself. Yes, everybody of you also feel me time, my time. Everybody wants my time to sit in one corner of the house and keep on playing your video games, or keep on shooting your videos, or making TikToks and watching the movies. My time. Today's generation wants it. Mera, my time. So as a student, he was thinking that freedom is only for me. Mujhe azadi mil gayi, I'm free. I'm free. But I wanted freedom only for myself, the transitory freedom of being able to stay out at night, read what I pleased, and go where I choose. This is freedom which you all want. Just, yes, eat what you want to, do what you want to, where you want to, go wherever you want to, watch whichever movies you want, because you feel here that you are adult, you are grown up now. What I please and go where I choose. Later, as a young man in Johannesburg is the name of a place in South Africa, I yearned for the basic and honorable freedom of achieving my potential. I yearned, I kept on, I crave of basic and honorable freedoms. Basic freedom, because when he was young, he was out in the market. He was out in the market to earn something or to make himself positioned in the society, and then the actual situation started. the problem started. The phase which he was actually facing, that phase is slowly and gradually going, and he is coming under the clutches of the society. Yes, got it? Now, of earning my keep matlab to earn for balancing the life, because every boy, every man has to earn to balance the life. It was a system of the society in those days of marrying and having a family. बच्चे पैदा हुए, एक एज तक पढ़ो और फिर शादी करो, घर बसाओ, पूरी जिंदगी अच्छी से जॉब में लो, 2 गाड़ी ले लो, 1 घर ले लो, अच्छा से एसी वेसी सब बसा दो, इंसान की जिंदगी खत्म. यही तो सिस्टम चलता है समाज में. द फ्रीडम नॉट टू बी ऑब्स्ट्रक्टेड इन द लॉफुल लाइफ. एवरीवेयर यू वांट टू एंजॉय योर लाइफ, but you should have a good house, you should have a good wife, अच्छे बच्चे, obedient बच्चे, good luxurious life, all the luxuries which are available in those times, everything you should have, and then enjoy your life, eat food, movie देखो, ये करो, वो करो, घूमो फिरो और life खत्म. यही life सबको चाहिए. Everybody wants this life. Nobody wants to change the system. Right? So, but then I slowly saw that not only was I not free, he wanted this. Family was pressurizing him that you marry and you do this and all those things. Family was from family side, ये pressure हो रहा था. And when he was landing in the society, when he was craving, which I told you previously, when he was craving कि मुझे आज़ादी चाहिए, मुझे मेरे अपने आप को अपना पोटेंशियल के हिसाब से मुझे मेरे अपने आप को स्थायी करना है, ये जब उसके अंदर आया और ये उसको करने नहीं दिया जा रहा था, तब जाके उसको रियलाइजेशन आया. एक बाजू से फैमिली प्रेशर आ रहा है, एक बाजू से अंदर से प्रेशर आ रहा है, एक बाजू से बाहर प्रेशर आ रहा है. एवरीवेयर सी दैट bombardment in the head, right? But I then slowly saw that not only was I not free, but my brothers and sisters were not free. Who are brothers and sisters? Not the real brothers and sisters. All the people who are around you, they all are brothers and sisters. I saw that it was not just my freedom, I was curtailed. Curtailed matlab le liya tha. It was taken up. But the freedom of everyone. Because it was a true story. It was a real story. राइट? जब बच्चे होते तो पता नहीं होता है, जब बड़े होते तो पता चलता है कि एक्चुअली सिनेरियो क्या है, समाज क्या है. हमको तो ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ समाज ये अच्छा बबली चीज़ें हैं, बट एक्चुअली समाज की जो अंदरूनी जो चीज़ें हैं वो जब तुम समाज में आके बैठते हो तब जाके पता चलता है. राइट? सो दैट बबली चीज नाउ गेटिंग ओवर, now actually the crust is coming out. So then he got an idea that, but the freedom was everyone who looked like I did. It was all the freedom was curtailed down. That is when I joined the African National Congress. Starting में हुआ था ना जब मैंने चैप्टर स्टार्ट किया, पार्ट 1, ANC. And that is when the hunger for my own freedom became the great hunger for freedom. मेरे लिए आज़ादी, मुझे तो आज़ादी मिलने ही वाली है ना, तुमको पूरे देश को मिलेगी तो मुझे अपने आप मिलने वाली है. You understand? So आज़ादी for me, freedom for me. Bye-bye. And the freedom for great hunger freedom. देश की आज़ादी के लिए जो अंदर का जो ज्वाला था, इग्निशन मिल गया उसको और उसने ANC में ज्वाइन कर दिया. And the Nelson Mandela's journey has started. Plane का man, the plane is up in the sky. Nelson Mandela, he is the person, Nelson Mandela. Right? See the smile and the color. See this. This is the true smile. Yes? This is what we have to achieve. This is the achievement what we all as an individual have to gain. Right? Immaterial of Indian, African, American, English, Australian, New Zealand people, no. Immaterial of all these things, being Indian, being a human. Right? Now, let us continue further. It was this desire for freedom. Which freedom? For the whole country. Of my people to live their lives with dignity. बेटा हमेशा सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट से बड़ी दुनिया में कोई चीज़ नहीं है. आत्मसम्मान जिसको हम बोलते हैं, आत्मसम्मान से जीना सीख जाओगे ना जिस दिन बेटा, उस दिन दुनिया की कोई ताकत तुमको नीचे नहीं उतार सकेगी. रिस्पेक्ट फॉर वन सेल्फ, अपने आप के लिए जिस दिन सम्मान मांगना नहीं है, सम्मान हासिल करना है. कोई देगा नहीं तुमको, सम्मान कभी दिया नहीं जाता है, सम्मान हासिल किया जाता है. सम्मान भीख मांगने की चीज नहीं है. रिस्पेक्ट अर्न करना पड़ता है. एक ऐसी ही चीज है जो तुम अपनी जिंदगी पूरी गवा के भी नहीं कमा सकते हो, वो है रिस्पेक्ट. कितने भी करोड़ रुपए तुम दे दो, रिस्पेक्ट नहीं मिलेगी. पैसे को रिस्पेक्ट मिलती है, इंसान को नहीं मिलती है. रिस्पेक्ट कमाई जाती है, पैसों से नहीं कमाई जाती है, डीड से, कर्म से कमाई जाती है. It was the desire for freedom of my people to live their lives with dignity and self-respect that animated my life. Animated matlab changed my life. And I have become the Katputli of what? To work for my freedom. This I means at this stage Nelson Mandela. That transformed a frightened young boy into a bold one. Because initially he was under the cluster of his father, his parents. शादी कर लो, बीवी ले लो, बच्चे आ जाएगा, हमारा ये हमारा वो. तब तक तो पापा की बातचीत थी. पर जिस दिन पापा की चुंगल से, पापा का जो सिस्टम से बाहर आया, तब वो भी एक आज़ादी मिली उसको, उनको. और एक नया मंडेला, जो मैंने बताया ना अभी, Nelson Mandela is on his way. Right, that drove a law-abiding attorney to become a criminal. Previously, he was a 100% law-abiding person. He was a law-abiding person because he was not breaking the law, because he was working for an English people. He was not at all breaking the law because he was in the system. He was in the system and he was not breaking the law. But now after joining ANC, he has become a law-breaking criminal. Why? Because he was not obeying to what the Britishers have said. Right? So, now, that drove a law-abiding attorney to become a criminal, that turned a family-loving husband, married हो गया था ना, बच्चा शादी हो गया था, into a family-loving husband into a man without a home, because भटकती आत्मा हो गई. एक जगह पर बैठ के तो कभी हो नहीं सकता है आज़ादी की बात, because here we are fighting for the country. तो पूरी कंट्री में घूमना पड़ेगा, जैसे गांधी जी घूमते थे. ही वॉज मूविंग ऑन. कहाँ घर था उनका, जहाँ पे रुक गए, जहाँ रात पड़ गई वहां सो गए, वही मेरा घर. राइट, सो ही वॉज अ होमलेस नाउ. हाँ, without home, that forced a life-loving man to live like a monk. He was loving all the beauties of the life, all the things. Like a small boy, he was to enjoy the life. Initially, everybody, Gandhiji also loved that. Gandhiji also loved all the big people, all the big shots who have become one of the best leaders of the world. They all loved the luxury of life. And slowly and gradually, when you understand the life better, this is something which I'm telling you, something serious. When you understand the life, that what is life? Life is not about riches. Life is not about the luxurious car. Life is not about, life is not about good cars, beautiful jewelries, or expensive clothes and all those things. Life is all about, self-respect. Yes. And once you attain the self-respect, you will, this all luxuries, this all materialistic becomes immaterial. Materialistic world becomes immaterial for one. Right? So, try to understand this. So from here, Nelson Mandela, a family person, started his journey towards becoming a monk. Yes. So let's understand him in a detailed way. Now, okay, I am no more virtuous or self-sacrificing. I am no more virtuous because nobody will love, because he was breaking the laws. So he was not virtuous person. Yes. So, I am no more virtuous or self-sacrificing than the next man. But I found that I could even enjoy the poor and limited freedom. So to see, today in this 21 days and extended lockdown, we have understood the essence of the homemade food, the mother-cooked food. These are all small things, but very small things, but you understand the value of it. So here, what does it help? I found that I could even enjoy the poor and limited freedom. Very small things you are having in your house. You are in the four walls, right? So in these four walls also, you understand that that in these limited resources also you can do a lot of things, you can understand, you can live your life. Yes, so this is the end of part 6. Now we will be doing part 7. Okay.